I am the dreamer, the believer, swinging through a world of endless possibilities. Once bound by doubt, now I soar through this city of hopes and dreams. With each leap, I leave behind the whispers of you can't and you shouldn't. Every building I grasp is a stepping stone to my aspirations. The rain that pelts my face isn't an obstacle. It's a reminder that I'm alive. Suspended between earth and sky, I realize a profound truth. This isn't just a city. It's the landscape of my own potential. My abilities aren't fiction. They're the reality I've chosen to create. So I'll keep swinging, keep dreaming, keep believing. In this world of thoughts and dreams, anything is possible if you dare to reach for it.